Alrighty, today I am going to show you how to change your cigarette lighter fuse in your 2005 Scion TC. Now, I keep blowing my cigarette lighter fuses because I think my pump draws too many amps from the system. I think the pump, for what the pump calls for my air pump, versus what the amperage or the fuse panel or something in the wires is rated, is too strong for the pump. So when I turn it on, it works, and then after a while of like constant use, it gets warm, or if it's like really cold outside, there's a lot of internal resistance in the pump, it goes ahead and it pops the internal fuse in both the cigarette lighters. So I got this kit for like $5 of a bunch of mini fuses. I think it comes with, let me look, let me just drop them all over the ground as soon as I open this up. It comes with, these are 2 amp, 3 amp, 5 amp, 7.5. Geez, a 2 amp is like, what the hell is that for? Definitely not automotive use. I got blue 15. That doesn't look like a 15. Green is 30. Yellow is 20. That is a 20. I believe it calls for a 15, which would probably be these. And they don't put enough of the 15s, which is what I need. So I have my 15 amp. Do I throw a 20 in there and potentially burn the wires in my car and kill myself? I think I'm gonna put two 15s in there for now and see how they hold up. So I'm gonna show you where they are. So if you open your door to your vehicle and you go ahead and lay underneath your dashboard. All right, go ahead and lay underneath the dashboard, and right there, see that panel right there? Go ahead and take that panel off. And when you do, if I can find it, oh, there it is, hang on, I'm feeling for it. It's right here, right? There you go. Go ahead and pop that panel off. All right, so this is what we're looking at. We've got wipers, washer, ignition, gauges, stoplight, door, fog, ignition, floor, cigarette, 15 amp right there. There should be a secondary one as well. Panel, wiper. So it says 15 sig. Oh, and then there's a 15 accessory socket. So it's both of them are 15 amps. So you're looking for that one right there, which says 15 amp sig and then 15 amp ACC socket. So essentially, the ACC socket is that one right there, and then the other one is sig, is that one right there. So see the positioning of where these are labeled. So when the panel is sticking up like that, and you clipped it back in the normal position and you flip it up and you look at it, the position on where it shows these fuses are the same position on where they are in the panel. So the 15 amp cigarette lighter one is right there, right in the dead smack middle. And then the ACC socket one is right there on the bottom. So if you just look for the two 15 amp fuses that are on the right side, there are three. One of them's the ignition 2. It says IG 2. Go up 2 from the bottom, you'll get the accessory socket one, and go to the middle one, and then that'll be your cigarette lighter one. There are 3 15 amps. Just do the top 2, and that should be the ones for your cigarette lighter and accessory. So let's go back and lay underneath the car. Actually, I can show you one thing. Go ahead and pop your hood, because there's a special tool you can use to take the fuses out that only come in the fuse panel underneath the hood. So go ahead and pop your hood, throw your latch on there. See this fuse panel right here? You can go ahead and pop that one off, take that off. And in the panel itself, you will have spare fuses. That's a blown 15 amp. That blew up before. Go ahead and take this white prong clip tool. We're going to use that to take the fuses out. Now go ahead and lay underneath your car. All right. So see if you can see that. Here's your panel right there. So what you are looking for is the two 15s up from the bottom. I don't even see a secondary 15 or a third 15 right there where the other one should be, but this blue one right here and that blue one right there should be the correct ones. Actually, no, the accessory one should be right there. See, hang on, let me get the panel. So here's how it's listed. So they're the ones on the right. So it's that one and that one. So it's actually these ones on the inside right here. Sure. Let's see here. So it's going to be not that one. It's going to be that 15 and that 10. I think I remember now. I put a 10 in here because that's all I had. And it's probably blown. Which it is. I don't know if you can see that. That's blown. And then it's going to be that 15 right there at the top, which, what do you know? That's also blown out. All right, so go ahead and grab your two brand new 15 amp fuses. If these blow out, I'm going to put a 20 amp and burn the car to the ground, honestly. So I'm okay with that. So go ahead and throw your 15 amp in there. I can't see. It's above the 17.5. No, that one's below the 17.5. That one. So that's a 15. Right in there, if I can get it to go in. Can't exactly see. All right. Oh, that's not going in. Okay, come on. Oh boy. All right, hang on. I need to see here. So that one. Come on. Can't see. You bastard. You bastard. There you go. That's one. So I went ahead and put that one in. And now for the bottom one, which will be right below that 7.5. No, right above it in the middle. Hang on. Slightly retarded. Right in between that 20 and that 7. That's where this one goes. These fuses don't fit very well. They do, but they don't. They're a little on the snug side. Come on, you prick bastard. There you go. All right, both 15s are in. I'm going to test it by plugging in my little radio accessory thing that I have and see if it works. All right, it smells like gasoline in this car. So I plugged it in right there. Let's see if it works. The blue light turns on. Perfect, that one works. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in down here. And that one, let me take my key. Turn it on. Bam, it works. Alrighty, and just like that, that is how you change out your, whatchamacallit, fuses in your fuse panel. How did I forget? I literally just did it. See, I'm actually stupid. Yeah, I'm just going to keep making a bunch of quick videos about all the little things I need to fix on this car, and I hope it helps you out. So, see you later.